nggak jauh, kalau jauh kirain jauh. Nah, ayo balik lagi jalan. Bisa apa di Corona? Sate. Nah. Oh, malah dipencet.
Gila, banyak banget. Berapa bus ya? 30 bus ada ya?
Oh, tadi segitu kok. Mereka bilangnya 10.000 kok.
10.000.
Ayo dong, Pak. Jalan. Pas pulang ini 30 siap 8.30 siap besok. Iya, dekat lagi.
Soalnya saya udah tahu kalau pakai telepon.
Sorot, Pak. Sorot. Iya, Pak. Semua pengusaha Indonesia.
Bosan kan Pak, cakep terus.
It's a very big honor, and particular pleasure, Mr. President, and the privilege to sit down with us after you had already such a long... Ladies and gentlemen, we all know the many months of crisis. We here in Germany experienced a restructuring in Davos a few days ago about your plans. I may assure you that here in the room there are many German companies who work for many decades already in Indonesia working for, and these people improving at increasingly
better than myself business situation in Indonesia, but this is climate debt. So because of this, I will touch on the technicalities that you have already known. So I will concentrate mainly on one fact. If I put out, first of all, team I appointed as soon as I became president about the long run should they be in election of them in the long run. So when we do that now, that assessments that will be a
Surabaya mampir Bapak? Iya. Saya ke Rekom. Iya. Dijadikan sebagai juru bicara Indonesia di Uni Eropa ini, merasa berterima kasih dan bangga, dan dengan demikian dari pihak Belanda menyatakan bahwa apa saja yang dapat kita lakukan untuk membantu proses demokratisasi di Indonesia, maka kita ingin lakukan hal tersebut, dan sebagaimana dikatakan oleh Gus Dur bahwa demokratisasi ini, proses demokratisasi ini membutuhkan prosperity, artinya kesejahteraan, dan kesejahteraan ini tentunya membutuhkan adanya lapangan kerja, dan lapangan kerja ini baru kita bisa ciptakan apabila ada investasi-investasi baru. Saya kira Belanda sangat concern, ya, sangat prihatin dengan keadaan.
Dan beantwoord.
Ja, guten Morgen, meine Damen und Herren, mal wieder in Bonn. Ich freue mich, Sie hier zu sehen und freue mich natürlich, den Fragen, die unsere beiden Länder verbinden, miteinander geredet. Dabei natürlich insbesondere über die sehr entwickelten wirtschaftlichen und politischen Beziehungen zwischen Deutschland und Indonesien. Deutschland hat sich ökonomisch immer bald auf dem Gebiet der Entwicklungshilfe als auch auf ökonomischem Gebiet. Wir haben natürlich auch über die Entwicklungswunsch Indonesiens ist und die Bedingungen dafür sind die Ergebnisse.
For this opportunity to meet him here in Bonn and later in Berlin to meet President Rao. I've met him several days ago in Davos. It is I don't know how many, but there was a religious conference organized by him. And also I thank the Chancellor for taking the initiative to meet you here so that I can explain to you about the situation in my country. Since he said that the situation in East Timor is very much given interest here, I would say that the relationship between Timor-Leste, East Timor and us is very, very good. Gusmo Zanana, Ramos Horta and so forth have come to Jakarta, and then we agreed at the time on several things, including the Timorese students who would like to continue their study in our universities. They can do that. Second thing that Zanana Gusmo said also that it's good to have direct flight between Indonesia. A regular flight now takes place about 1 a week, but I think that will be increasing in the future. The Telecom take care of that by removing from the middle the UNTAD chief, as also to effective transportation, ground transportation from our side of things and to do commerce with Indonesia more than with other places. Invited to send the troops to East Timor, also inform us is important. Also, the relationship between Indonesia and East Timor on one hand, to members of ASEAN. ASEAN could be enlarged in that so that to be frank, our plans in East Indonesia will be good relationship between East Timor and Indonesia depend also heavily on the relationship between Indonesia and Australia. I could say here that the foreign minister of Australia have come to the transit point for everything, that things like that should not be aired by to the press before, or to the parliament before talking with us. Surprised by a question that we don't know about. Donald said, you see, Australia said, okay, I will do that. He asked them to, let's say, to become our, in that sense that we have to look to the Dutch side. But that doesn't mean that I don't appreciate the other countries. For example, Germany. You know that I'm a powerful German. So in that sense, I think we can take much. Germany is a strong nation. In fact,